Sorry, sorry, sorry.
Diyan!
Ito nga, giniginaw na ako eh. Diyan pa kaya, Diyos ko, lamig dito.
Hindi, tignan mo yung snow.
Ang kapal.
Patay ang halo-halo dyan.
Tapos ang uupuan mo ganito kakapal, upo ka rito.
Ayan, lamig.
Upo ka dyan.
Di ang tigas ang
Diyos
puwet
ko.
niyo. Manigas ang puwet. Ayan.
Upo ka dyan.
So fast, I'm running by the streets of my
Ayan.
Cute baby. Cute baby. So sus baby.
Ah,
One, two. That's a cute baby.
ah.
As Philippines.
Back into the
Yeah.
build, so I
Meine Enkel und meine
don't have
Familie, die ganze.
wood to bring over there with us, and we'll build walls, we'll build a bed, we'll build a crock pot. Like, we're gonna get everything and build it even better.
Dami rin, smosa rito.
Kind of like, well, I bet Kate wishes she had some right now. Are they talking about the casserole they made? No, because I'm gonna be able to make my own casseroles or stews or whatever. Hey, we should go see Dino Kid now that the dead weight is gone. Oh, I know they're not talking about me. I built this whole base. Talk about dead weight? That's them. Yeah. Let's go. I'm using that thing I built to get out. Can I jump from this tree and get in? That works. It works. It works.
Got
Okay. I'm in. So let's see. Let's dump all the wood in here that I have. Oh my God, they don't even have any wood. Guess what? They had wood earlier when I was here.
kaya mo sila magtingin ng sa akin. First lang to. First time ko lang makakita ng snow eh.
Now the booth has wait. Someone that makes myself
Mga kapitbahay ko yan.
Ah,
I have my own base. That might be kind of nice. And then I got one wall. We're gonna need quite a few more than that, but I'm gonna have to come back later with more wood. I think.
Yung makita daan.
One more wall. Okay, I'm just like breaking all the trees from. No. Let's actually build our base somewhere that they can't directly see.
Diyos ko!
I think this clearing here might
Pagod na pagod na ako.
first wall.
Utay-utay na katawan ko. Dito ako simbahan
Let's get
eh.
our crock pot out.
Utay-utay na katawan ko.
And 'cause
Pagod na pagod na
I'm a little
ako.
hungry. And then let's also put this torch right next to it.
Rachel, ano mo nga?
Till the
Screenshot mo nga.
I don't really wanna.
Para i-post ko tatlo tayo sa snow.
ayan.
No. Oh, trying to come in my safe zone, but he can't.
Ayan, screenshot ko na.
I was so scared. See, he's
Ano ba yan? Nangungulangot ka pa, Yuna.
so close to
Yumi.
I need to.
Yumi.
Ayumi.
Something in my crock pot right now. Oh my God, is this gonna get me before I die? Okay. Surviving here in the wilderness is harder than it looks. We're definitely gonna need to get more wood so that we can bring it back to the base when they're
Bukan daming balakubak ko.
build the wall. Okay, Billy, let's head back out now that we got Dino Kid. Maybe we'll find Kate's body too. I'm alive. I'm like actually alive. What? Oh no, it has
Daming
no
balakubak ang puto.
okay, that's making me realize it would also be really nice if my base had a lightning rod. Just an idea.
Yung kapal,
I was
yung
gonna.
kapal ng snow.
Did you buy it already, Daisy? Okay, no.
Rachel, screenshot mo nga. Para
Oh,
may
dali,
sabi
oh.
na ako.
Then where is it? Yeah, that's a great question. Where is it? I certainly don't know.
Ayan, screenshot ko na.
We sold out. Oh,
Umayos ka, Yuna. Ay,
Yumi,
Yumi.
ay si Yumi. Ay si Yumi. Yan.
Ha?
right there. Are they in it?
Ayan.
They are. Oh my gosh. Okay, they're in it right now. Let's
Ayan.
round to the other side so I can see what they're saying. Wait, Sabrina just said, wait.
Ay, yun na si Johas. Nandyan na.
Take
Uwi na kami.
dead yet?
Bye-bye. Umiyanak tawag pag
Bye-bye.
sa bahay.
O, sige.
Sinundo ako galing sa trabaho eh.
Oh, girl,
Ah,
I'm so cute.
labig dyan. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ingat.
Literally, they're talking to me now. Cake, are you alive? Let me step behind this tree. Of course I am. Duh. Did you think I couldn't survive without you? There will be consequences if you don't give our stuff back. Do anything. I don't know what dumpster you've been surviving in, but